Without the nails, I cannot even imagine. Even with nails, I am going very slowly. White is rattlesnake. Oh, see, I'm the tip of this. Okay, I see the green and the blue, but where is, sorry, green and here? Where is blue? More than one fucking lot and more than one entry points. So in which, I don't know which point here to side to this is really huge place. And you see the whole city almost. Big power. In winter it is super slippery. Even I have my nails, but it is not good with nails. So if you are coming in summer days, you can do rock climbing over here. So